I just watched Vikramaditya Motwani's directed AK vs AK starring Anil Kapoor as Anil Kapoor and Anurag Kashyap as Anurag Kashyap. While watching the film, one thought came to my mind that Anil Kapoor in this film is searching for his daughter, and being on that mission, he is running, getting hit by a car, begging, all that in an Indian Navy uniform. And I wondered, how come nobody has taken offense on that? Oh, they did. So anyways, I watched the film guys, and I personally think it's pretty average movie. I mean, we all have seen this kind of movies in Hollywood. AK vs AK is not much difference than that. The only difference the film brings is this film is a black comedy. And while said that, it does hit the jokes on the lead actor's real life crisis. The film tries being honest with the audience. The joke doesn't seem like forced on script, which is a good thing. Also, as the film starts, we see Anil Kapoor as a star as he living his normal life. Even when arguing with Anurag on stage in one interview, he still stays in the impression as star. But as the film approaches the climax, we get to see a human side of the same character who is still a father of someone. The other thing I liked about the film is the character Yogita, played by Yogita herself. Yogita is Anurag's assistant. She is filming the documentary in the whole time. There comes a time when Anil is chasing one taxiwala and Yogita is running with him with a handheld camera. The scene is a bit long and the chase goes on for so long, and yet we can clearly hear Yogita's going out of breath as she follows Anil Kapoor. That brings some realism into the movie. Another noticeable thing in the movie is when Anil Kapoor goes to one police station to file a complaint. At that scene, the actors who has played the police officers, all of them are new faces, and because we haven't seen those actors before anywhere, it creates a impression that is it a real police station? The fight scenes in the movie are also very realistic. We have seen Anil Kapoor fighting with the whole gang of grooms at the same time, but here in this mockumentary, he is having so much trouble just to make one guy down. He goes out of breath, he falls, he gets hit. At the most, it does feel like it's happening for real. But the problem here is, we are seeing a star, Anil Kapoor and Anurag Kashyap. We already know that it's a fiction. And if you have seen the trailer, and if you are a genuine audience, you will already get an idea of what's gonna happen in the end. The twist here also didn't hit me that well, because I have seen the similar kind of twist in the Hollywood movie The Game, in where the protagonist has signed up to play a game, and in the climax the game goes wrong, accidents happen and he shoots his own brother, but in the end we are shown that it was a part of a game. The similar kind of feeling we get while watching AK vs AK. The film tries to be a thriller, but the important thing in thriller genre is that we should be scared for the life of our characters. But as we know that the protagonist and the antagonist both are the real life characters and nothing has happened to them, we just don't feel anything for them. It's like watching your friend's accident clip while he is standing next to you, alive. So you know that nothing serious has happened to him. You just watch the clip out of curiosity. That has happened with AK vs AK. I think the same concept would have looked great if it were purely fiction. But anyways, the film is not that bad. You can watch it one time for entertainment. I will give AK vs AK 3 out of 6 stars. And that's it for today everybody. See you next time.